Welcome back, and this is the second part of the video on showcasing Kirkwood Boulevard, the website and the templates. And on this part, you guys, I'm going to show you our services, as well as we have an amazing affiliate program that I want to show you guys, and we have a bonus at the end. So stay tuned to the end so you can see what the bonus is. Okay, thank you guys for watching and enjoy. So let me show you guys the service that we have, because we do have a service. If you are not a DIYer, you like, I don't want to be bothered. I don't even know what Canva is. What is Canva? You don't want to be bothered with Canva. We do offer a setup, a template service. It is $2,000 if you want us to go ahead and take your information and put it into a template, not changing anything, all of the pages. If you guys do your research on websites, you will quickly find out that a lot of times people offer 5 pages, 7 or 8 pages. As you can see here, our templates are very robust. They have everything that you need, well thought out from a real estate agent, everything that you need for your real estate business. We offer template setup here, which is $2,000. You just go in and fill this out. It tells you how it works. No, you don't fill nothing out. It just tells you how it works. And then I'll show you guys if you want to learn more. You have to book an appointment so we can talk about your website. You fill this out. But once you buy your template, if you have any issues, you can open a ticket, which is here. You just fill this out and it'll come back to us and we'll be able to help you with your template if you have any issues. But we also offer template customization if you want to have a template restyled. You know, it depends on how much you want restyled, how much you want changed. You can have this website semi-custom. I mean, it can get pretty custom depending on what you're wanting done. And then we also have custom, completely custom. You don't even like none of these templates. I don't know why. You don't like any of these templates, but you want your own website designed. We can do that as well. You have to inquire, and we would have to find out exactly what you need for your real estate business. We also have an affiliate program, you guys. If you are thinking about buying a template and you love it, we have an affiliate program. You can sign up and receive 15% for every sale. So when you think about a template plus a marketing kit, you can almost get $350 back to you. Now, I have an affiliate with a lot of different programs, and all I'm going to say is Amazon gives me 27 cents, sometimes 47, and sometimes $2. They give me no money. So this is a great way. If you love our templates, you can sign up to become an affiliate. You just go in here, sign up to, and it says Livia Monroe, but it signs up for all of our items on our website. But you're able to generate some income just by sharing Kirkwood Boulevard with other agents that you know. You know, you can make your little money. I mean, who doesn't like money? So you can join. Here's some of the questions, Q&As, if you have any questions about our affiliate program, or you can always reach out to me to find out more about it. But there's tons of questions in here. It is paid directly to you. It doesn't have to come to me and I have to give it to you. Once you sign up, you put your PayPal information in, and then you're good. You're good. You're going to have money. Again, Amazon gives me change. And Amazon will boot me if I do not sell anything within 6 months. They will email me threatening me. You have 90 days. You better sell something so we can give you $2. So this way you can sign up and, you know, make a little money. And then we have freebies on here as well. Lots of resources for agents. If you have not gotten the free 1-page website template, it is here. This is what it looks like. It's just 1 page. You can use it as a lead magnet to, you know, for buyers or sellers. And then lots of companies that I use that I love. These are all affiliates. And Flowdesk, of course, we know I love Flowdesk. I love Flowdesk so much. But here's a bunch of, if you guys need any marketing guides, they're all in here for branding, email, and social media content. And then some of my favorite books, if you guys are interested in books. And then you need information on getting your studio set up, because we need to be creating video content. It's here. And if you're interested in YouTube, this is a VRA course that I swear by. Like, it really got me to thinking about how I'm going to really use YouTube, which I'm doubling down on this year. and moving forward. And you guys, this clicks away to my blog, which is on shareallen.com. I think I'm going to start adding my blog posts to Kirkwood Boulevard. I'm not sure yet, but this is my website. There's tons of information in here for real estate agents about your brand. Again, I designed this website on Wix, but there's tons of information, just me and my foolishness mixed in. But reasons why real estate agents should have a website. There's tons of resources in here as well, you guys. And the last thing I'm going to say about you having your own website is I showed you guys several blogs, several. This is a website that you own. You're not renting this from one of the companies that you never can go in and edit. Well, actually, I'm going to take that back because I'm going to say it again. I don't know if you can go in and edit. I do come across people's websites that I know they have spent a lot of money on to have built, that they're paying a monthly fee, that information has changed and links are not working. Or I don't know how those companies work. All I know is how Kirkwood Boulevard works. We are selling you website templates that you own. I said on the last video, on one of my videos, that I talked to an agent that spent $2,100 to have a semi-custom website design, and they stopped paying the $199 or $149 a month, and now they do not have a website. They paid it for 2 years. This is a website that you own. You own it. You own it. So if you decide that you get out of real estate and you're not even doing that anymore, you can change this into another website for another brand, another company. This is a template that you own, okay? So become an affiliate, get your website template, get your Canva templates, and let's build some beautiful brands, okay? Sign up for our email so you can find out when we have discounts. We can have as much as 40% off of our templates, which is an amazing savings to you to get you started. So I'm just amazed at how many real estate agents do not have a website. We are Googling where to find a pizza, where to get the best donuts, where to get the best sushi. People are going to Google you. And when they Google you, what is coming up? So let's not come up with nothing, you guys. Let's have our website and let's stand out in our market, okay? So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And thank you for watching. Hopefully you see this. Alrighty. Bye, you guys.